The oil and water mix.
Make your own lava lamp.
This is what you need.
Before we begin, here are some safety tips.
First, put the oil into the jar.
Now pour the water into the jar.
Now pour a few drops of food colouring.
Drop your fizzy tablet into the jar.
Remember to put the lid on the jar.
Magic happen.
Now watch the magic happen. Now you can make your own lava lamp at home.